Really trying to get that ghost to grab that Coca-Cola. This one. Grab the Coke, bro. Do anything with it. He's looking at me like, wait, what, Sharky? What do you want me to do? He was doing something there. That's weird. That is so weird. The way he shapes his body. I think he's doing something with the Coke. I do, you guys, on the table. I do think that. He just his